Hello, I'm Zanzi and Naja. So, Khosi recently visited Zambia and they welcomed her so well with open hearts and love. It was just so beautiful to experience. So, I thought that let me just share with you because if there's one thing about Khosi, she shows us, particularly South Africans, that you know what? We are all Africans. She visited 6 countries at this point since the Big Brother house. Like, who has done that from the Big Brother? Like, I'm not talking about Niger or South Africa, so this is the leader. This is why Biggie has created Big Brother Titans, from Nigeria and South Africa because of that issue that we had. So, if there's one thing I love about Khosi, it's this. And she pinned a message on Instagram just thanking Zambia and saying that I'm the luckiest girl. Thank you, Zambia. The love is unreal. I can't believe I've been to 5 different countries since leaving Biggie's house without spending a cent out of my pocket. We have put good deeds on the map and active lifestyle. I love you, Khosi Reigns. So thank you for choosing me over and over again. Zambia is officially my second home. I'm coming back sooner than you think, thanks to the amazing people of Zambia that has approached me for work. I'm extremely excited. To the women that came together to bring me to their lovely country, thank you. I'm truly grateful. Last but not least, at Melly official, thank you, buddy, for taking time out of your life to be there for me. You are such a considerate friend, and I know God has great things in store for you. So some people may just think that, okay, Nelly is a puppet now that Marvin has gone back to the United States. Melly is a puppet now to Khosi. No, Melly is a professional photographer. So he's benefiting on the both sides. And I mean, at the end of the day, he's also a big brother, ex-housemate, so he gets to travel with Khosi and also shoot content on the other side, and this will also add to his profile. So I love this about Big Brother Titans. They are very welcoming, especially South Africans. Like, I'm not throwing any shade, but have you ever seen Big Brother Niger? No, I'm sorry, Big Brother Titans housemates from Nigeria traveling to other countries? No, they haven't. The likes of Olivia, the likes of Yemi, Nana, who's that other guy? Guys, yes, them. The only person that has been back and forth to South Africa is only Yvonne, and because of the Yvonne ship. But anyway, is teaching us a thing or two, about being Africans, being united and loving each other. Anyway, till I see you again, please do not forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for the latest Makosi. Bye bye.